good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. This time, welcome to my 3022nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is a risky game. Have you noticed? The volatility has gone through the roof. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first. Always put a protective stop in before you begin to trade. You'll live a lot longer in this business. Respect the risk. We've got a red Omni for trading on Friday, Jan 30th, 2026. Let me mention a couple of things very quickly. One, Omni campers who filled out your applications for Europe, I've got your applications. Here's what I'm doing. I'm collecting a couple of more. Make sure that you click the link below for your OmniCamp application choice in Europe. Click the link below. Tell me where you want my OmniCamp to show up, what country in Europe. I've got a few applications already. By tomorrow, which is Friday, or sometime over this weekend, you will all start hearing from me. So make sure you go to Omni Bootcamp. In fact, look at the link below. You'll see what it is. It's Omni Bootcamp for Europe. The link is below. Make sure you click that link. Anyway, what's going on out there, kids? Another thing I wanted to discuss. Powell. You know what he did? Guess what he did? He turned off the music. Let me explain. You see this right here? This was our chart last night. And I said, pause. Everybody pause. The Omni turned red, and we're in a pause. That's it. We got right up to here after Jerome Powell came out with his no rate decision. In other words, didn't lower rates, non-rate decision. That is called Powell turned off the music. The party is coming to a bit of an end, and some of the party participants are going to head for the exits. So we had pause last night, not knowing if Powell was going to turn off the music or not, because that happened after we gave the pause. Powell did turn off the music. We got a pause. Then for today, look what happened. Well, bam. Good day for a pause, right? Because Powell did turn off the music, and boy, did we drop hard. Bam, bam, bam. Great timing for the pause. So, what I mean by Powell turned off the music is the market is like being fed sugar, getting a sugar high when it knows rate cuts are coming. It just helps feed the market higher. When it's finally told no more rate cut, no more sugar, the high comes down a little. And here's what you must expect. It's not a big deal, but you must expect this. A price adjustment is warranted. Now you got to get a price adjustment. The music's been turned off. But a small price adjustment. Do not panic. We just put in all-time forever highs yesterday. Yesterday. The highest high the S&P has ever traded in his life was yesterday, on Wednesday. Thursday, I'm filming this video. This is Thursday's bar. Friday, all right, maybe it'll start to come down a little and we'll get a little price adjustment, but I wouldn't worry about it going too far. The economy is doing pretty good from what we can see chart-wise and watching the fundamentals. So for now, we're going to look at this as nothing more than a price adjustment warranted because Powell turned off the music and stopped giving the sugar high by lowering rates. What else have we had that sort of makes sense in this picture, traders? You remember this. I showed it to you when this all started. The flat top. It all started with the flat top. Flat tops do produce market drops. How about that, huh? That flat top was there. I pointed it out. Remember, I said, oh no, emergency video. I had a ton of charts to show you and blah, 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 but I'm going to show you the flat top instead. Well, that did sure pay off. I'm glad I showed it to you, Omniacs. Must have paid off for some of you. All right, so remember omnibootcamp.com if you want to tell me where in Europe, but look for the link below because it's a specialized link below that's exactly for Europe OmniCamp. All right, so what else is here? The Omni's red. This is the Dow Jones. What else is on my list here? Let me show you this. So the flat top, Powell cutting, no longer cutting rates, two things. Then we've got this. would be over here. Let's go to Mr. 24. Crude oil. Traders, one of these things is not like the other. One of these little green circles just doesn't belong. Can you guess which circle is not like the other? Look what happened here. We had a worldwide stimulus going on for a while. Crude, what was it? Every time crude got anywhere near this average, it broke. It was wonderful. When crude goes down, it literally helps the stock market, helps individuals, helps businesses, helps the world. Kept failing at the green, failing at the green, failing at the green. Uh-oh, that's not the same. Above we go, and now it holds at the green. So, now, got to look for the upside in crude. And the stimulus is no longer a stimulus. Now it's just worldwide moving up the price of crude. So, but we are green Omni. Crude looks like it's a buyer of dips. Keep your eyes on that. But this does not help because it takes away that worldwide stimulus that we've been speaking about. So it doesn't help the picture in the stock market, right? So you've got worldwide stimulus going away for a moment, at least anyway. Crude's moving up. You've seen the flat top. And you see the picture now that Powell has stopped the sugar high, and that's what's kind of going on there. Now, let me leave you with a nice gift, Omniacs. We're not done yet. Here's a gift for you. Here's a nice little gift I hope will help you. One of these things is not like the other either. What can it be? Let's see. Let me just show you what I am speaking about. One of these situations is not like the other. Hit the OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average in Tesla. If you're in Tesla and it comes down and hits OTAPMA, you bounce. OTAPMA, you bounce. OTAPMA, we bounce. OTAPMA, we bounce. OTAPMA, whoa, we go for a ride. OTAPMA, we bounce. OTAPMA, we get back above it. Below, tries to get above, cannot. Tries desperately to get above. Earnings come out. Boom. Here's your gift. Now you can start shorting Tesla. Love the company, love Elon Musk, think all of it is great. Charts are charts, making calls are making calls. You can start selling rallies in Tesla. We've got a red Omni, and we are below OTAPMA. You get above OTAPMA, well, bets are off on the downside, but that's not where we're at. We're below, and that I wanted to show you. My gift to you, I hope that helps. Omniacs around the world that have been working on the Omni Trading Token, you're killing it with me. Keep doing what you're doing. Come out and protect it when you need to. I will do the same. Love you guys on the Omni Trading Token. You know you can now buy it right at Coinbase on Coinbase-wallet. You don't need Solana. You don't need any other wallet. You go right to Coinbase on Coinbase-wallet, and you can buy the Omni Trading Token right there. In fact, below this video is a link. If you go to Coinbase, use that particular link to search for the Omni Trading Token, and you can buy it right through your wallet with the cash in your account. Way better than having to search and switch over one currency to the next to buy it. So it's gotten much easier, much more accessible. Go out and buy your Omni Trading Tokens, Omniacs. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. I hope this gift helps. I hope the rest of the video helps. I will tell you again, do not panic. We've got fantastic charts long term that say there's no reason to worry at all. Price adjustments happen when we have we have Fed chairman, or just the Fed itself, stop lowering rates. Price adjustments do happen. Just like when they start raising rates, price adjustments do happen. So there'll be a price adjustment. Don't worry. Longer term charts tell me to tell you, do not panic. I hope OTAPMA helps you here in Tesla, and I wish you all great trading. Traders, stop soar in. Emotions are. Now I'm going to speak to more influencers about the Omni Trading Token, and this is a much bigger influencer. Wish us luck. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.